Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about break statement and we have seen an example program also. In today's video, we will discuss about continue statement. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. And watch the videos till the end so that you can understand the concept clearly. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the videos with your friends and family members. Continue statement. The name itself tells you it is going to continue with the loop. So we have seen break statement in the previous video. So what the break statement is going to do? It is going to terminate the loop. So for example, I have a for loop condition, some condition is there. Then I'll execute some statements. Based on some if condition, I may break the loop. So as soon as the compiler encounters this break statement, what it is going to do? It is going to come out of the loop. Some loop condition will be satisfied. I'll get inside. I'll execute all these statements. Then an if condition encounters. And based on the evaluation of this if condition, if it evaluates as true, then the break statement gets executed. As the compiler encounters that break statement, it is going to terminate the loop. It is going to come out of the loop. But if I write continue here, what happens? So what the continue statement is going to do? The continue statement is going to continue with the loop. It is not going to come out of the loop. So when a continue statement is encountered in the loop block, it says it is going to skip some of the statements in the loop. So in the loop block, we may have some more statements after continue. So after continue, whatever statements we have, it is going to be skipped. So the statements get skipped, that what we have inside the loop block. And it says it is going to continue with the next iteration of the loop. So when a continue is encountered, what the compiler will do? It is going to skip all these statements and it is going to simply continue with the next iteration. That is what with the continue statement. So there may be some scenario in my program wherein which based on the evaluation of some condition, I may have to skip some statements and I have to go to the next iteration of the loop. In such cases, we make use of continue statement. The general form is just a keyword continued followed with a semicolon. That's it. So let us see this continue statement with a programming example so that we can understand this in a better way. So here is our program to understand continue statement. A very simple program with which you can understand this continue statement very clearly. So here we have a variable declared by name n. So we have the for loop statement. Based on this loop condition, there's some statements I need to execute. I have a continue statement also. Let us see how the program gets executed. The dry run we will see now. N equal to 10, loop initialization, and loop condition says is 10 greater than 0. So let me write the iterations here. So it says n equal to 10 is 10 greater than 0. Yes, condition evaluated as true. I need to get inside this loop block. Immediately when I get inside the loop block, there is an if condition. I need to check is n equals to 5. Is 10 equals to 5. Condition evaluates as false. So this immediate statement will not be executed. Control will be to this statement. Printf, print an integer value that what I have in n. So my value which is n, which is 10 will be printed in my output screen. So let me write the output screen. So my first output will be 10. Then as usual, I have to loop back. N value gets decreased. So n becomes 9. Is 9 greater than 0? Yes. Again get inside. Check is 9 equals to 5. 9 equals to 5? No. Condition not satisfied. Again continue will not be executed. Then print that value of n. So 9 will be printed on my output screen. Again loop back. Then it gets decreased to 8. 8 greater than 0. Yes. 8 equal to 5. No. print that value 8. So 8 also printed. Loop back, n value gets decreased. It becomes 7. 7 greater than 0? Yes. Is 7 equals to 5? No. Then continue will not be executed. Printf will be executed. Print the value of that n. So 7 will be printed. Then let me write the next iteration. 6. 6 greater than 0? Yes. 6 equal to 5? No. Print that value 6. So 6 will be printed. Then again loop back. It becomes 5. 5 greater than 0? Yes. Is 5 equal to 5? See, now the if condition is getting evaluated as true. 5 equal to 5. Yes. Execute this continue statement. So continue statement gets executed. What the compiler will do? It has to skip the remaining statements that what I have in the loop block. Then simply continue with the next iteration. So my next statement that what I have here, this statement will not be executed. So this printf statement, remaining statement after continue means printf. So this printf statement will not be executed. So the value n, which is 5, will not be printed. I'll simply continue with the next iteration. Then n decreases. Continue with the next iteration. Skip the statement. Continue with the next iteration. So what's the value of n? So n value is 4. So n value is 4. Is 4 greater than 0? Yes. Is 4 equal to 5? No. Then again condition not satisfied. Continue will not be executed. Print that value of n. So 4 gets printed. So it is 4. Loop back. 3 greater than 0? Is 3 equals to 5? No. Then print that value 3. So 3 I am going to print. Again loop back. So 2 greater than 0? Yes. 2 equals to 5? No. Print that value 2. So 2 I am going to print. Let me write the next iteration here. Then I say 1. 1 greater than 0? Yes. 1 equals to 5? No. Print that value 1. So here 1. Again loop back. 1 gets decreased. It becomes 0. 0 greater than 0? No. The loop condition not satisfied. I have to come out of the loop. Control will be to this statement. My final message that what I am going to get next to that. I don't have space here. So I'll write it here. End of loop. Beside that itself we are going to get the message. End of loop. Just look at the output. It is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 equal to 5. Continue with the next iteration. Skip the statement where printing the value of n is skipped. So my value 5 is not printed. Continue with the loop. 4, 3, 2, 1. I got the output. Loop condition becomes false. Come out of the loop. Get the message. End of loop. So this is what with the continue statement. Very simple to understand continue statement. The name itself tells you it simply continues with the next iteration. The remaining statements, whatever we have in the loop block, it is not going to execute. You may have some statements after this continue or you may not. If you don't have any statements, no issues. It will simply continue with the next iteration. Continue with the next iteration. If you have statements, you skip, simply continue. If you don't have also, no issues. So this is what with the continue statement. You can just work out with this. You can execute this program and you can please write the answer of this, output of this in the comment box. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.